This is the Option Pit AM Volatility Report. I'm Mark Sebastian, and welcome to the world. All right, let's talk events. What we got going on? We got boot camp. Starts next Tuesday. Get in or get lost. It's going to be awesome. All right, and by that I mean lost by the markets, not lost by us. If you are a gold member or higher, this is free. If you are a permanent option member, this is free. So it pays to be a member. You can email me, mark@optionpit.com, if you've got questions. So let's talk about the market. Well, kind of an ugly, ugly day here, isn't it? Not the prettiest day in the world. Well, why? Well, let's talk about what's been going on. All right, got a few things. To start, the retail sales. All right, I don't know why everybody's like, oh, well, only up 4% is negative, but that is the way the markets are treating things. And so you can see the VIX cash, nice move today. All right, it's up 133. Now, a bunch of that is just kind of moving over from the weekend. All right, you know, we came off a holiday weekend, so VIX should be up. And you know, I don't think anybody should be surprised that the S&P has a little bit of a giveaway here, down to maybe that 20.5 level. But I do think today is a one-off event. You might see it go move a little bit lower. But I think you'll see some bargain hunters step in if things get too cheap. That's been the trend. They may get out of the way for a day, but they're not going to get out of the way for very long. All right? There's not a lot of reasons to be short this market, and it's been a very tough short. All right? That's just the facts. You know, that's really what's driving things. Now, where are things still looking like there's some opportunity? Well, take a look. You know, we said Amazon went too far too fast, so that's one to keep in mind. One surprise, gold up big despite that Swiss vote. Right? That's primarily on a weaker dollar. Not sure where the weaker dollar is coming from, but that's definitely coming from somewhere. Now, let me take a look at where rates are. All right, it is nuts how high rates have moved. All right, the idea that the Fed is going to raise should leave your head. It's not going to happen. Rates are not pricing that way. The market's not pricing that way. All right, so I just don't see it. So I would continue to play from a rates dropping move. I think there was this false perception that the Fed was actually going to do something, and they're not. Take a look at the financials. Goldman taking the chin, as is J.P. Morgan to a lesser extent. So maybe some opportunity forming there. Now, we're into December. GoPro has a lockup coming up, an unlock. So that could be very ugly for the stock. So that's one we're going to be watching here in the report. A couple names we're watching from Friday was XRT. So we're going to keep an eye on those retail sales. See, this is why we didn't do the bullish calendar Friday. And then we're watching the airlines, the UALs, the AALs, and the DALs. What's the deal with every airline ending in AL? You notice that? No, they're not. What's the deal with that? UAL, DAL, AAL, they're all AL. I don't know. I don't get it. It is what it is. But those now that we have seen those back off, now's the opportunity. Yeah, now it's Southwest. All right, congratulations. Well, did you know that there was a wait time of a mile, 1.2 miles at Midway over the weekend for Southwest? Yes. Southwest sucks. Yeah, Apple taking on the chin too. I don't know if that's flash crash or that's real, but it definitely looks like somebody just pushed the sell button. Whoa, look at that. That might be one I would pop in on. Yeah, that's a flash crash, folks. So Apple is going to quickly rebound. So that'd be one I'd be willing to pay. Somebody accidentally clicked the sell button. So Apple will be up above 116 here shortly is my bet. But that is just funky, unless there's some sort of news out, which there's not. All right, folks. So there you have it. You've got what appeared to be kind of a random flash sell-off in Apple. And you've got the airlines and retail now kind of back out. There's probably a play there. I think we may see the market lower, a little bit lower from today, but I would be, I think that you're going to see bargain hunters either end of day or tomorrow. So, and I would certainly be buying Apple here. It's going to be down $1.50 in less than 5 minutes. All right, folks. On that note, I hope everybody has a great day, and I will talk to you soon.